Welcome to the Android MetaBase tutorial. First, download the free Android MetaBase app from the Google Play Store. Direct download links can be found on our website. When you launch the app for the first time, a tutorial will teach you the basics. When you are ready, add a new MetaSensor device using the Add Device button at the top right corner of the app. A list of available nearby devices is displayed. To help you select the right MetaSensor, the MAC address and the Bluetooth signal strength are displayed. Select your MetaSensor from the list. The LED on the device will blink to confirm. You can optionally rename the device at this time. Now, the MetaSensor is in your device list. Select it to interact with it, and then press the New Session button. This will prompt a device configuration screen where you can turn on and off sensors. Streaming mode sends real-time data to your smartphone at up to 100 Hz. The LED on the MetaSensor blinks red during a session. When you are done, click the Stop button. You can now save the data from this session to your phone using any file name. To troubleshoot the MetaSensor, select it on the device screen. This will prompt a diagnostic screen with device information. You can update the firmware of your board or perform a diagnostic on this screen. Now, we will add another MetaSensor to our list of available devices. You can group MetaSensors together using the Add Group button at the top right corner of the app. Once grouped, MetaSensors can be configured simultaneously. Logging mode enables you to configure your MetaSensor to record data in the sensor memory to be retrieved at a later time. Sensor data is stored on your phone at the end of a session. You can export it in any way you want, including email or Dropbox, or you can optionally send the data to our MetaCloud. You may ungroup devices at any time. No data will be lost when MetaSensors are ungrouped.